Okay, we're going to go over a refresher of multiplying polynomials. First thing I want you to do is I want you to copy down this problem and multiply it. Okay, did we put a minus 1 across the top? And a minus 5? It's okay if you didn't. Our box will say the same thing. It'll just be in a different order. Okay, what would go in our first box here? This box? Negative 1a. Negative 5a. And 5. Good. Okay, so now what do I do? Which terms are alike? Combine like terms, which terms are alike? Negative 5a and negative 1a. So my final answer would be? Very good. A squared minus 6a plus 5. Okay, and I want to ask you a question real quick. We talked about this last week. If I had this, and this was my product, if I was talking about real-world application, what would this refer to? Area. Which one's the area? The answer, this one was the area. And what were the other two? Length times width. Do you guys remember this? Okay, that would just be like length times width will give you the area. Okay, let's try the next problem. It's a little bit tougher. Copy it down, work it out. All right, what do we put in the first box here?
8x squared.
Very good. 8x squared. What would go over here?
Negative 4xy.
Very good. Negative 4xy.
Negative 12xy.
Good.
And 6.
And then 6.
Oh, 6y squared.
Y squared. Good. Now what do I need to do?
Combine
Which ones would those be? Which ones would those be?
negative 4xy and negative 4.
Good.
The answer is 8x squared minus 16xy plus 6y squared.
Very good. Okay, here's the next problem. Yeah. All right, how many terms are in the first? 2 in the second?
3.
So how many boxes should we have? 6. And you can draw it however you want it. I like to do the first one across the top, so I'm going to do 2 across the top and 3 down. And you guys go ahead and work this out. Okay, you guys just about ready? What went in this box?
2x squared or cubed.
Cubed, very good. 2x cubed. What goes over here?
5x squared.
Good.
Negative 8x cubed. 8 squared.
Squared.
Negative 1x.
Good.
6x.
Good.
150.
Very good. Okay, now what do we need to do?
Combine the like terms.
Combine like terms. And which terms are alike?
5x squared and 8x squared.
These two are alike. What else?
6x and negative 20.
Very good. And usually, always, they'll be across from each other like this. Okay, so my first term is?
2x cubed.
Very good. Then?
Minus 3x squared.
Good. Minus 14x plus 15. Very good. And there's our area. There's our solution. Is it getting easier? Okay. This is a what by what? 3 by 1 or 1 by 3. So how many boxes should you have? 3. Good. Okay, what goes in this box here? Very good. Then?
Negative 14x squared.
Very good. And then? So my final answer?
21x cubed minus 14x squared plus 7.
Good. I think you guys are getting the hang of it. What do you think? Okay, we got 3 more to try. We're going to do these 3. Copy this down, work it out. Okay, what goes in the first box here?
12x cubed.
This box?
60x squared.
Very good. Then?
And negative 2x squared.
Very good.
Negative 10x.
Okay,
4x. And 20.
very good. Okay, for those of you that like the FOIL method, anybody in here like that? Okay, just to show you that it's the same thing that I was showing you earlier. If you did first term by these 3, that's what you're doing in this row. You're doing first term times this term, this term, this term. Second term by this term, this term, this term. You guys see what I'm talking about? So if you end up doing that, that's what you're doing. You just haven't organized in here in this box. All right. Now, which terms can we combine?
60x squared.
Very good. And what else?
Negative 10x.
Good. So what would my final answer be?
12x cubed plus 58x.
Whoa, plus.
58x squared
Okay.
minus 8 or 6. Oh, yeah, plus 20.
Plus 20. Good. So there would be our area. That one's easy? Okay. Work this one out. Okay, this is a what by what?
1 by 2.
1 by 2. How many boxes should we have?
2.
2. Good. Keep working. Okay, what goes in this first box?
9 squared.
Second box?
54 cubed.
Good. So we're writing our answer. Which one comes first? 9t squared.
Plus 50.
Good. And last one we're going to do together. This one. Okay, what went in the first box?
X cubed, or X squared,
X squared, good. This one?
plus 5x,
Okay.
Negative 3.
And then,
minus 4.
which ones can I combine?
5x.
Plus 5x,
So my final answer?
X cubed,
X what?
squared,
X squared.
plus 2x,
Very good. You guys got the hang of it? Okay, good.